Welcome to JD's Dale Auto. My name's Jeff. I hope you're all doing well. And this is just a quick update on 1934 Ford pickup I'm building for the Bootleggers Ball group build. It's almost complete, but not quite. I'll tell you what, we'll just head to the bench and I'll show you what I got right after the intro. Okay, now I did add the wooden bumper, and of course I added the Bootleggers Ball group build sticker on the bumper. Now I did add more dirt on the tires and around the body and everything. Same thing with license plates. Got Kentucky plates. I don't know if you can read that well or not. Yeah, like I said, the barrels are all done. The toolbox I finished. Shotgun there, the pistol. I just pretty much added more dirt to it. The front bumper. And if anyone hasn't saw it yet, remove the hood. Okay. I did wire the engine, and it's not the 2-barrel. Let me turn it a little bit. It's got the 2-barrel, well, two 2-barrel carburetors on it. It's got the throttle linkage and the fuel line. And like I said, it's all wired up. So, and the headlights were all dirtied up, like it was up in the mountains. But like I said, this is just a quick update on the truck. It's not completely finished yet. I still got some diorama stuff to add to it. I haven't gotten to exactly to the point I want to be at with it. I'm sure there's more detail I'm going to add to it. I'm not, but like I said, with the engine being fully detailed, with the throttle linkage and the wiring, the fuel line, and all that, I think it came out all right. Leave it in the comments, see what you think of it so far. Okay? I would really appreciate it. Okay, that's it so far on the update. Okay, and that's my update on Bootleggers Ball group build 1934 Ford pickup. I hope you all liked it. I thank you for watching. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers and viewers. It means a lot, and it really does. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that little bell icon. It helps the channel out a lot. It helps it to grow. Smash that like button and comment. I read all my comments. I reply to them as soon as I can. Anything you can come up with, any ideas, yeah, let me know in the comments. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a good one.